I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows 11 and build requirements, because the official Google Play integration needs specific system support. Once done, reboot into BIOS and enable virtualization so the Android subsystem can run. This matters for performance and compatibility. Make sure drivers are current and clear at least 20 gigabytes so the subsystem and apps install cleanly. Finally, open Microsoft Store and install any pending updates. You need the latest components to proceed with the Android environment setup. You now install the Windows subsystem for Android or set up an emulator like Android Studio if you prefer more control. This creates the Android runtime for Play Store. After installation, enable developer mode inside the subsystem so you can use ADB and adjust settings. This is how you troubleshoot installs. Once the subsystem is running, launch the Play Store and sign into your Google account so apps sync. If Play Store is absent, use ADB to sideload the Play Store APK carefully and then sign in. You finish by updating Google Play services and the Play Store inside the Android environment to prevent crashes and ensure compatibility. Once updated, grant required permissions per app and reboot the subsystem. This often resolves install problems. If an app fails, clear the Play Store cache and retry. For persistent issues, reinstall the subsystem or use ADB Logcat to capture errors so you can pinpoint missing libraries or permission denials. This diagnostic step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.